feeder.
And why is it so sticky? Literally.
Because it's oatmeal and bird seeds. Why are you making it, Gavin?
Because I saw a little bird's nest with the little chicks in it still. So I'm just putting it in there so the bird literally could get the food easier.
So to help the mommy bird feed the baby bird?
Yep.
That is such a good job. I think your bird feeder will be good.
Same with me. Also, why is that dog doing?
Look and talk to the camera.
Also, what is my dog doing?
I don't know. Let's see your dog. Hi, De Niro. Is that your puppy's name?
Yep.
Is he a good puppy, bad puppy?
He's literally in between.
What is he?
In between.
Okay. Do you love him?
Yeah.
Hi, De Niro.
Not to bite me on the side of my face.
Hi, De Niro. He's such a good boy.
He bit me on the side of my face right
Did
now.
he?
Yep.
Was he trying to give you a kiss?
I was trying to pick him up.
So how much are you going to put in the bird feed? Or are you going to put some in every day?
I put in half of this today, then the rest of it tomorrow.
Very good.
If it's empty. If it's not, I'm keeping the same food in.
Okay, well that's a good idea. That's Gavin in his homemade bird feeder. He used his yarn that he got from the Pride store.
And from Miss Jordan.
Miss J.
Miss Jordan from the Lincoln School.
Okay, great. Everybody stay safe, feeding the little birdies. Gavin, you're doing an excellent job.
Thank you.
And there is a bird nest. We'll show you. We don't want to disturb her little birdies in the next video, okay?
Was part 2.
Part 2.
To Gavin's bird feeder.
Okay. All right.
We finally made a video what has what's gonna get a second part.
Part 2 it is. When you speak, you should look in the camera.
Okay. I was literally busy unsticking it.
Okay, that's pretty cool. All right.
Bye.
Bye.